Welcome back to my channel Sri Statistics. Today we are going to talk about the third theorem related to the G inverse of a matrix. So the theorem states that for consistent equations Ax is equal to y, all equations are for any specific G generated by x1 is equal to gy plus ga minus I into z. Now to prove this, let x star be any solution of the consistent equation Ax is equal to y and z is equal to ga minus I into x star. So if we consider this x1, then we will say that ga, now this is what has been considered in the theorem. So from here if we start, we say that x1 is equal to gy plus ga minus I into z. So on opening this, what is z? Z is given as ga minus I into x star. So substituting this value over here, we get gy plus ga minus I into ga minus I x star is equal to gy plus, we are opening these brackets, so multiplying this term with this and this with this and this with this and this with this, this is the equation we get, that is ga minus ga plus I into x star. Now ga, this is basically what, this is ga, so these two terms cancel out. So over here what do we get? Gy plus I minus ga into x star. On opening this bracket again, we get gy plus x star minus ga into x star. So this will be equal to gy plus x star minus gy. How? Because the value of ga x star is equal to, basically over here we get ax is equal to y. So on substituting this ax star, we get instead of gax star we get gy. So what will be left over here after these two cancel out? We get x star. Therefore x1 ultimately comes out to be equal to x star. Hence all solutions of ax is equal to y for any specific g are generated by this equation, x1 is equal to gy plus ga minus I into z. So this proves the theorem. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share and subscribe.